I'm testing these single-phase motors for medical pumps. We have motor, Variac, the Empath ECMS E1 for our test bench, and then software setup so we can catch first the inrush, so I've only set it for about 5 seconds, and then the second part will be to go ahead and run an analysis to see the general condition. We're starting from 170 volts, working our way up to 240, which is the parameters of the test. So right now we're at 240, Variac set for 245, so we know the voltage drop will be about 5 volts. Inrush is expected to be about 30 amps, and then it drops down to about 3. So here we go. And here we go. Now collecting data for about 10 seconds. Inrush. So you can see what the peak current is right there, close to 30 amps. And then the torque kilowatt volume, kilowatts. Next. Then we're going to go ahead and run a full test. So now we're going to go ahead and run the full diagnostics test. I'll do a quick variance and afterwards we'll just need the default in place right now. It'll be a 48-second test. You see we're set up for single phase, so it's set up to test the single phase motor. So right now it's identifying 240 volts. We're exactly 240 volts. Actually, just about there, and then just about 3 amps. Here's some wavering from the switch. So that'll probably show up. Now we're coming to the end of the 48-second test. We'll now analyze the machine, telling me the electrical and mechanical condition. It has definitely detected some casting voids, not to be unusual in this size of machine. Very low power factor, multiple casting voids actually. You can see that also in that kind of sawtooth. We can go ahead and shut down the motor now. And we're going to be able to do further analysis of everything. The shuddering sound you heard while it was running, that's there. You can see it's kind of wavering. That's the switch vibrating a little bit inside the machine. And that's it.